The queen has officially fallen. Yes, you heard me correctly. Beyonce has fallen. The Queen Bee's second Coachella performance was just as epic as her first, but for different reasons. One of those involves her sister Solange and a hug gone wrong, and the other involves her hubby Jay-Z and Cardi B. Trust me, I'm going to tell you all about it. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill. If you didn't go to Coachella, like yours truly, but you still want to know everything that went down, go ahead and click that subscribe button to get caught up. While most of us may still be pouting because Beyonce chose to not live stream her second Coachella performance, everyone who was there is still freaking out over the fact that Beyonce physically went down while singing with her sister Solange. The fall took place during one of my favorite songs, Get Me Bodied, and trust me, it's something you have to see for yourself. That's all it took for fans to, well, lose their damn minds. Saying things like, Solange and Bey fell? I'm so mad I missed it. And only Beyonce and Solange can fall over on stage at the same time and make it look fabulous. I completely agree. The fall was so graceful, it almost looked planned, which is a theory circulating among the Hive and the internet, but what do you guys think? Did you lose your mind over Beyonce and Solange's graceful fall? Or does part of you think that it was planned? Let me know in the comments below. Aside from Beyonce's little fall, the other epic thing to happen during her performance has to do with Jay-Z and Cardi B. Now, it's not a Becky with the good hair situation, it's actually something really sweet. TMZ reports that after Jay-Z performed his part of a duet with his wife, he then went to the artist section where Cardi B was sitting and proceeded to place his hands on her baby bump. So essentially, I believe he just gave Cardi B his blessing and probably gave her baby the power to become the next big thing in music, after its mom, of course. All in all, clearly Beyonce had two epic performances at Coachella, and now I am more than ready for her On the Run 2 tour with Jay-Z, even if it includes another fall or two. Are you all with me? Let me know if you're ready for Beyonce's On the Run 2 tour and what you thought about Jay-Z and Cardi's moment down there in the comments. For more entertainment news, click the boxes and subscribe.